Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do batch processing in WrapX without actually writing scripts. We will use the same Basemesh for 3 different scans, and we will control each scan processing stage independently. So, to achieve this task, we will use a set of scripts named WrapX Batch Wizard. It will be included in the December update of WrapX. Right now, it's available from you can download it from our public repo on GitHub. You can go on this page and download it here. So let's start. Let's restart our skin. Clear console output. Open new file. Okay. First of all, let's load file named generate config many scans 1 Basemesh. You can notice here variable named output directory. It will be the place to our config files and results. Also, you can see here some global switches which we can change to disable or enable some stages of our wrapping. Right now I want to do only wrapping and do not subdivide, do not project mesh, and do not transfer texture. So let's start. Okay, at first our script asks us to select some files, some scans. Let's select them. Okay, we have 3 scans, and then it asks us to select Basemesh. It will be have polygroups from Great Make Human project. Okay, so we have generated config. We will use it right now. So let's set control points. Open the file named set control points from Batch Wizard. Set control points and run it. It will ask us to select config file generated in the previous step, and then it will load files, and you see ask us to select corresponding points. So first stage is rigid alignment. You can see. Okay, and the second stage is wrapping corresponding points. So let's pick some points here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, next scan. Since we use one Basemesh, you can notice that Basemesh points are reused. So, good. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You can notice that I set wrong correspondences right now. I will show later how to deal with it. Okay. final scan rigid alignment and wrapping points. Okay, so we have now corresponding points, and let's do the actual wrapping. Open it, do wrapping. This part of work is fully automated. You just need to select config file. Let's go. Okay, wrapping done. Let's look at the results. So we need to open file named lineup and run it. Select config file. It loads all the results. Oh, neutral Alex looks a bit scary. So here is our results. Lower row scans, middle Basemesh, and top is wrapped results. So since I set wrong control points, it's supposed to be like that. What we have to do with that? We will repeat just this iteration. So let's look at our config file. You see it. It contains of pairs scan, Basemesh scan, Basemesh scan, Basemesh. So since we need just neutral row, we will comment in other lines. Okay, good. And rerun set control points. Select Basemesh and scans config file. Clear all. Oh, no, it's a rigid alignment. It was okay. This is wrong. So clear all and set normal corresponding points. Okay, and next do wrapping. Again, select config file. Okay, we're done. Now it looks better. Let's look at the results again and comment as lines and run lineup script. Select config file. So you see it, wrapping done correctly. But now I want to subdivide this and project onto scan to get more details. And also I want to transfer texture from this scan to this result. How can I achieve it? Again, let's look at config files. This directory was created by generate config manyscans on Basemesh in the beginning of our tutorial. So let's look in the directory scans plus textures. You see here some txt files. It's our stored align points, wrap points, and what is most important is arcs. Let's open it. You can see here all the parameters and stages of wrapping, and you can control it. Let's enable subdivision and projection. Okay. And for our last scan, we will not just use subdivision and projection. We will also transfer texture. Okay. And let's open our config file again. Since we changed parameters only for these lines, we don't need to rerun first line. Let's comment it. Okay. And open do wrapping and start it again. Select config and wait for the results. Okay, it's done. Let's see the results and comment first line, since we want to see all the results. Line up, run, select file. Okay, here it is. Let's do some splitting. Just disable wireframe from the right result. You see it. Looks good. So if you have any questions how to do that, please ask them on our forum. Here maybe. And one final step is to use the results somewhere. You see it's our wrap texture and 3 object files. So happy batch wrapping!